After rigorously testing 17 car air fresheners over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 products that truly deliver long-lasting fragrance without overwhelming your senses. Our thorough testing, which includes scent longevity measurements and passenger comfort surveys, has revealed which fresheners provide the best value for your daily commute. Each product offers unique scent profiles and diffusion methods that might be perfect for your vehicle, so be sure to check out the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. Febreze Unstopables Car Freshener Vent Clip. If you've ever entered your car only to be met with an unpleasant smell, you understand the challenge of finding a dependable air freshener. This vent clip is crafted to address that issue directly by eliminating odors instead of merely covering them up, a common issue with some cheaper alternatives. It attaches effortlessly to your car's vent, releasing a crisp, airy scent reminiscent of laundry day, thanks to its fresh and UNS fresh options. One standout feature is its adjustable scent intensity. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of fragrance or a more pronounced aroma, you can tailor the strength to your liking. This is particularly useful for those sensitive to strong scents, offering more control than some basic air fresheners. Also, the scent is long-lasting, providing consistent freshness for weeks. Some users have noted that the scent can be overpowering, especially at higher settings. This might be a concern if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. Furthermore, the strength controller has been described as somewhat flimsy, occasionally adjusting on its own. Even with these minor drawbacks, the freshener's compact and discreet design ensures it won't obstruct your view or take up unnecessary space, a plus compared to bulkier options. Think about stepping into your car after a long day and being welcomed by a fresh, clean scent instead of lingering odors. It's a small change that can make your daily commute much more pleasant. The Febreze Unstopables Car Freshener is ideal for anyone who spends a lot of time in their vehicle and desires a consistently fresh environment. If you want a car air freshener that offers a strong scent with the flexibility to adjust the intensity, this vent clip merits your attention. Its ability to neutralize odors effectively makes it a solid choice among drivers who value a clean-smelling car. While the scent strength might require some tweaking to find your perfect balance, the experience is one of freshness and convenience. Find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Air Jungles Car. Air freshener clips offer a practical solution for those tired of stepping into a car with lingering odors. These clips are designed to attach securely to your car's vents, providing a more stable alternative to dangling fresheners. With a pack of 6, you can enjoy a prolonged period of refreshing scents. Really, one of the standout features is the diverse range of fragrances available. Whether you prefer the sweet scent of honey peach or the calming aroma of lavender, there's an option to suit every preference. The compact design ensures they blend seamlessly with your car's interior, avoiding the bulkiness of larger fresheners. Some users have provided feedback. Some users have experienced the scent fading sooner than expected, though the initial burst of fragrance is often appreciated. The clips are also designed to prevent leaks, solving a common problem with liquid fresheners. Regarding scent strength, opinions vary. While some find it perfectly balanced, others feel it can be too strong, particularly in smaller vehicles. It's advisable to clean up any spills right away to avoid potential surface damage from the fragrance oil. The primary advantage of the Air Jungles Car air freshener clips is their ability to effortlessly improve your car's atmosphere. They're perfect for those who want a consistently fresh-smelling vehicle without frequent replacements. If you enjoy experimenting with different scents and value a pleasant driving environment, these clips are a compelling choice. Their convenience and variety make them a good option among car air fresheners. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. Imagine entering your vehicle and being enveloped by a soothing aroma that instantly elevates your mood. This is the experience promised by the HoogaLife Car Air Freshener Diffuser, a chic answer to the persistent problem of car odors. With its sleek glass bottle and wooden cap, this diffuser not only revitalizes your car's scent, but also enhances its interior decor, offering a more refined look than typical vent clips. One key feature is its hanging design, perfect for those who enjoy adding a decorative touch to their car. The diffuser is crafted from high-quality materials, including a clear glass bottle and a sustainably sourced wooden cap, ensuring both durability and an eco-friendly approach. The wooden cap, with its spiral design, fits snugly to prevent spills, a thoughtful detail that many users appreciate, making it a safer option compared to some liquid alternatives. The scent experience is where this diffuser truly excels. Using essential oils, it provides a natural and alcohol-free method to combat odors. With a range of scents available, you can tailor your driving experience to your preference. The scent strength is adjustable by inverting the bottle, refreshing the wooden cap, which offers a more subtle and natural aroma compared to stronger, chemically-based fresheners. Really, still, some users have noted that the scent might be too subtle or not last as long as anticipated. This is a minor drawback, especially when weighed against the diffuser's visual appeal. Also, there is a potential for leakage when inverting the bottle, though this appears to be an infrequent issue. Really infrequent. The main benefit of the HoogaLife diffuser is its ability to effortlessly transform your car into a welcoming space. It's especially beneficial for those who spend significant time driving and desire a consistently pleasant atmosphere. If you want a car air freshener that merges style, functionality, and a hint of luxury, this diffuser is worth considering. The HoogaLife Car Air Freshener Diffuser stands out with its elegant design and customizable scent experience, making it a great option for those who value both aesthetics and practicality. If you want a reliable way to keep your car smelling fresh and looking stylish, this product is something to consider. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Imagine getting into your car and being greeted by the comforting scent of freshly laundered linens. That's what you get with the Febreze car vent clip in Laundry Fresh. This compact clip is made to get rid of tough car smells, using Febreze's steady release technology to keep your car smelling good throughout your drive. It's like having a fresh laundry experience in your car, without the need for detergents or fabric softeners, and it's easier than hanging diffusers. Tags. Enhanced text. Text.replace. One good thing. One good thing. Replace. You can change. You can change. Replace. How strong? How strong? Replace. The scent is. The scent is. Replace. So you can. So you can. Replace. Just how you like it. Just how you like it. Replace if you like. If you really like. Replace. Being able to control. Being able to control. Replace. The fragrance. The fragrance. Replace. You'll like. You'll really like. Replace being able to adjust it. Being able to adjust it. Replace to fit your mood. To fit your mood. Replace or how sensitive you are. Or how sensitive you are. Replace the clip-on design. The clip-on design. Replace makes it easy to install. Makes it easy to install. Replace so you can have. Pain. So you can have. Replace. A fresh scent. A fresh scent. Replace. For many trips. For many trips. Replace without dealing with bad smells. Without dealing with bad smells. Replace. It's also easier. It's also easier. Replace to set up. To set up. Replace then some refillable options. Then some refillable options. Return F and enhanced text. In Oz. Not everything is perfect, though. Some people think the scent is too strong, even on the lowest setting. If you're sensitive to smells, it might be a good idea to start with a low setting. Also, the scent is strongest when your car's air conditioning or heater is on, so keep that in mind if you like driving with the windows down. Even with these small issues, the Febreze car vent clip does a great job at what it's supposed to do. Get rid of odors. A lot of people find that it really helps cover up musty smells, which can be a lifesaver if your car has been damp. And you can also use it with home fans, which makes it a better deal than car fresheners you can only use once. The best part is that it gets rid of odors and has a nice, clean scent. It's great for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car and wants to keep it smelling fresh. If you want an easy, effective way to keep your car smelling great, the Febreze Car Vent Clip Laundry Fresh is something to think about. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. Little Trees Car Air Freshener Vent Wrap offers a sleek alternative for those tired of dangling fresheners. Designed to blend seamlessly with your car's interior, these vent wraps provide a subtle way to maintain a fresh-smelling vehicle without being obtrusive, unlike bulkier options. A key highlight is the Steadicent technology, which ensures a steady fragrance release. Imagine entering your car after a long day and being greeted by a gentle mix of leather, white florals, cool metallics, and fresh, powdery musk. It's a small escape each time you open the door. With a wide array of scents, from strawberry to Caribbean colada, there's a choice for every taste, offering more variety than some laundry-themed options. On the upside, the vent wrap design is a significant advantage for those who prefer a minimalist look. Just attach it to your car vent, and it's discreet, yet effective. The convenience factor is another plus. It's simple to use with no hassle or mess. For those sensitive to strong fragrances, the strawberry scent is a popular choice, as it's milder compared to more intense options. However, some users have noted that the scent may not last as long as anticipated. The fragrance strength might be too subtle for some, even with multiple wraps. There's also the occasional issue of receiving fewer wraps than expected, which can be disappointing. Even with these minor drawbacks, the primary advantage of the Little Trees vent wrap is its unobtrusive design that keeps your car smelling fresh, without clutter. It's perfect for those who value a clean, understated look in their vehicle. If you're looking for an air freshener that integrates seamlessly while providing a pleasant aroma, this one is worth considering. Product details are available through the link in the description.